Hi, and welcome to my studio. I'm Ann Feldman, one of the exhibiting artists at the J. Petter Gallery, and I'd love to show you around my place. I work here in Denver, Colorado, and I have a fabulous studio space that I'd love to share with you now. So let's go. My studio is located in Denver in Prism Workspaces, and it is a series of workspaces for artists and artisans of every type. There are painters here, sculptors, glass people, printmakers, and we're all here together, and I get a lot of benefit from being together with so many talented people. This door is mine. I'll push it open and show you the inside of my space. So come on in. Here's my space. You can see I'm working on a very large piece right now. It's a commission of a sunset that I've just started. Over on this wall are a couple of shelves where I keep my work in progress so I can kind of keep an eye on it. And here's a closer look at the commission. I've got a little thumbnail that I painted here and my ever-present iPad with my reference photos and references. And every studio needs a couch, in my opinion. So this is kind of the space. I also wanted to show you my portrait wall where I keep the sketches and the paintings that I've done of models over the years that have come to sit for me. It's like having a group of old friends. Here you can see a typical still life setup, and you can see that the painting that I've started is in process. So I'll give you an idea of what my typical day looks like. And I'll finish this studio tour with a little bit of painting action here. So thanks so much for stopping by. I love showing you my studio and my work process. It's been great. If you're ever in Denver, please look me up. I'd love to show you my space and show you what everybody's up to around here. Thanks so much. Take care.